welcome back to my channel, my Spartans. It's your girl Helen of Troy, and as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing this hair. Looks a little bit crazy. I'm waiting for some of it to dry. I'm gonna be using this TikTok shop Wavy Talk Pro Steam Hair Straightening Brush, and I almost said it all in one sentence because I've been seeing it and I needed to try it. One, because your girl is not trying to have her hair like this every day during the summer. It's springtime and it's currently so cloudy and rainy in Florida. I feel like I'm the perfect person to try this product and, you know, share with you guys how it works on my hair, because I remember being in DR one time and the girls was telling me like, yeah, we're gonna use una plancha al vapor, which is basically what this is. It's a straightener that it works with steam, right? So yeah, we're gonna be doing this on my hair and I'm gonna be going live, so the lighting's gonna change a little bit. So I just wanted to come on here to show you guys what comes in the box, and I just love it because it's purple. Comes with a little message from the girl who did the collab with them. I'm just gonna take her out. And I got the pink color. So it comes with the brush. Y'all, I can't believe I have a TikTok shop item. And it's really cute, honestly. And then this is where you put the water. So in the videos, it doesn't look like it's that big. It is a little compartment to put water, and this is how you everything. So I'm gonna put some water in here. This is the little spout, and then you put it right in here. I took out some clips, but it comes with 2 clips. I don't know if these clips will hold my hair, but probably just will be nice to have. A little brush to clean this. Keep it nice and clean. And then a hot tool glove, or heat protecting glove. And I like how it has the little thing on both sides, like the little grip on both sides. And it comes with instructions, of course. I'm gonna set up for TikTok and then make sure you guys follow me on there. What do you guys think about the new intro, by the way? Like, did you guys see I have a new intro, or you didn't? Like, it kind of looks the same, but we did some updates. Let me just read the instructions while I'm waiting for my hair to finish drying, and I'll come back to you guys when I start doing my hair. It also brings a little silk hair tie. It's super stretchy. I like it. Water in it if you're traveling, it doesn't spill. And I'm going to be using, of course, the protective type Fenty hair as my heat protectant, and Paul Mitchell as my serum when I'm done. So it's a super skinny serum. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting for this moment for days now, that I can finally get to use my like, I washed my hair the other day and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wash my hair because it arrived today, but I am gonna actually just, like, because my hair's a little bit damp, it needs to be dry, I'm gonna just blow dry my hair a little bit to speed up the process. Okay, so you guys see this hair, I think it's 100% dry. I mean, this part is gonna be done last. We're gonna start with the bottom, which is dry. So watch me turn my hair from this. Can't wait. Like, y'all see this? And I've been wanting to have my hair straight for, like, if you guys, YouTube fam, if you guys see me looking that way, it's because I have TikTok, as I mentioned. I'm gonna try to position you guys so it looks like I'm looking at the same place. But yeah, we're going to be having our layers pop out a little bit more without, you know, damaging our curls, which I have no product in my hair. I'm gonna be using Fenty hair protective type as my heat protectant. So we're gonna be using the Wavy Talk Pro Steam hair straightener. Hey, thanks for joining. I have the water already in here. The clips, I don't know if they'll hold my hair, but we'll see. Look, they kind of hold my hair, but not really. Maybe just like here in the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this up, and then hey, thanks for joining. We're gonna get this hair done. I've been seeing this all over my TikTok shop, and I just had to try it because, ooh, your girl lives in Florida and it's raining season right now. So let's see if my hair could last with this. So I can't wait. Like, I'm so excited. Like, honestly. Gracias. Voy a poner mi YouTube abajo para que puedan seguirme. Voy a estar usando esto por la primera vez. Como ves, mi cabello es muy rizado y yo vivo en la Florida y llueve mucho y está lloviendo hoy en esta temporada, y quiero ver si mi cabello se mantiene lacio usando esto. So dije, déjame comprarlo, a ver, para variar mi cabello. Y para protector voy a usar el Fenty Hair Protective Type, que huele bien rico. On 380, I don't know, right there, on 380. So I just might have to move my computer because it's in my way. Oh. You guys excited to see how my hair is gonna turn out? Do you think it's gonna work? Because I mean, I've been seeing people use it and it works, but I'm not skeptical. It's just like my hair, as you can see, is so super big, and with the humidity in Florida, it's gonna work. And if it works, y'all gonna hear me raving about this for sure. Somebody soñando here. Some Trader Joe's juice. And for reference, filling up this whole thing took up like a third of the bottle. So I love how that smells. It should be enough for like my whole hair. So just section it off. However, hey guys, the good thing I love about this is that it doesn't make your hair smell like, you know, when you blow dry your hair, it smells like burnt. Like, but supposedly this has a burnt smell for like the first few tastes. That's what the instructions said. But yeah, look at the difference between my hair, like combed out, a little wet back here, like combed out and not combed out. But I have no product besides the heat protectant I just showed you guys. I just like move my finger. However, get this hair out the way. And of course, your girl's wearing savagexfenty and using Fenty hair, because that's me. Just gonna make that noise, I guess. Okay, one pass. Definitely smells like a hair straightener. I don't know if the girls that be sharing this be telling y'all what I'm telling you. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, here. What I really want to test out, I think it is getting my roots. I'm just kind of scared to touch. I want to test out like how long it takes for my hair to get like reverted back to curly. But yeah, this is the first strand. Like, y'all see the difference in my hair? Like, come on now. So I'm gonna just do it from the bottom. This is crazy. My hair still, the thing that I love about the Fenty hair is that it doesn't make your hair smell. So even if this smelled burnt, which I can smell it on here, my hair doesn't smell like that. I got some of my hair done. I'm just gonna hold it, try different methods while using this. I can use less passes. I do have it on like 380. Yeah, 380, which is the second to highest heat setting. But with one pass, you see I didn't go all the way to the ends. But it's still straightening. Still doing what it needs to do. Just want to know if it's going to surpass Florida weather. Or maybe I'm pulling my hair out because I'm being rough with it. Hey guys, thank you for joining. Where are you sharing the live to when you share it to? Oh, look at you sharing the live again. It's my girl. Chat, if you guys want to see like how my hair turns out like the rest of the week. Oh, how my hair turns out the rest of the week, make sure you follow me because I'm gonna be doing like a daily update with me going to the gym and stuff, how my hair like holds up. I think it's gonna be raining the rest of the week here in Florida, so see, like right here it's knotted, so that's why my hair is coming out. Right, like what is you doing? So you have this Wavy Talk, you have the pink one or the white one? Almost got the white one. Knowing me, it'll probably get dirty. I was like, nah, I'll just get the pink one. And if it gets dirty, can't really tell because it's pink. We're doing our hair, okay? We're doing our hair. Oh, thank you for the cat. You know I can't see. I can't see them. This is still glitching. We're doing my hair so you can see. Today we're doing our hair, Deja. That's what we're doing. With this wavy talk. Oh, that's how much water I have left. It says 30 minutes that it's gonna be finished, and it's been 21 minutes. I guess they don't know. Everybody has different hair types. So I'm gonna have to refill that in a second. You have the Timo, I guess, because this is from TikTok Shop. This was my first TikTok Shop purchase. Oh, the Timo, yeah, I was gonna get that one, but I kept seeing this one. So, and I know somebody that has it, and she has curly hair, but she lives in PA, so. And the first turnaround, I did use that much water to fill it up, so I guess it's gonna go up to here. And it's been 25 minutes. I'm gonna pause it. This is how much of my hair we got done. Like, I still need to get some up here, like these roots right here, so I'll just be scared. But for now, soñando time. So this is what the hair looks like. I only have like this little part in the front, which is gonna take me like 30 minutes. It's been an hour. I realized though that when the heat is not on, the steam is not on, it's kind of just like straightening your hair. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, we got one more piece left and a little bit of water. I might have to I did refill the water like 3 times, so I might just have to add some more for the last one, maybe not, we'll see. And I did use the highest setting on this side, or in this section, I should say. So yeah, I could see the difference in the roots between this side and that side, because I'd be a little scared to pass it like with the steam on my roots. So yeah, I don't know if I should do the heatless curl on my hair tonight. I want to sleep like that, or if I just want to keep it straight. Turn it off for now. And as promised, this is all the hair that I lost. So that's how we turn my hair from that into this. I'm about to go in with, I don't know if y'all could hear me because my hair is covering the mic. About to go in with the Paw Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. Do like 5 drops. It's nice and thick. Probably OD'd with the serum, but my hair needs that silky shine. So I just finished doing my hair, guys, using the Wavy Talk Pro Steamer brush. They're not as like matted. I like how that serum made my hair shiny like that. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow your girl on TikTok so y'all can see me go on live. And see you guys in the next video.